This is a tour we took with MrBalerdash of the cruise ship art on the Oceana's Riviera. Some works may fascinate at first glance, while others unfold their meaning more gradually. Sit back, allow your mind to drift, and enjoy the splendor of these captivating paintings. Each piece tells its own story, waiting for you to explore.
Hello, MrBalerdash here. Check out my new videos on my YouTube channel. Lots of exciting things are coming.
If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment. I enjoy reading every one of them. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.